This is Clyde McDade for Beacon Plumbing, and I'm here today with a residential plumbing customer of Beacon Plumbing, and his name is Zach from Maple Valley. How are you today, Zach?
I'm doing great.
Good. I really like your house, but I especially like your Christmas tree.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how long have you been a customer of Beacon Plumbing?
For a year now.
Okay. And what plumbing problems did they come out for?
They came out for my hot water heater to replace that and to install a new gas line for the range.
Okay, and what was wrong with the gas line?
I didn't have one when I bought the house.
Oh, okay. All right, and did they solve those two plumbing problems for you?
Yes, they did.
Excellent. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate Beacon Plumbing service?
I'd give them a 10.
Okay. And then will you be recommending Beacon Plumbing to other people you know?
I will.
Okay. I have one more question for you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the knowledge and expertise of their plumbers?
I thought their plumbers were very courteous. They knew what they were doing. They came in, fixed the problem quickly, and they were able to leave.
Okay, excellent. All right, well, again, this is Clyde for Beacon Plumbing, and thank you, Zach. You have yourself a great day and a Merry Christmas.
Thank you.